Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have the rest of the Happy Mail that I told you guys I wanted to share with you, just so that I can put it away and stuff. But before I get into that, I want to let you guys know that I opened up a Facebook page for Crafting with Liller. I had a personal Facebook page, but I wasn't really interacting in it, and it's just sometimes Facebook could be a little bit of drama, and especially when you have family involved and stuff like that. So I kind of wanted to take myself out of that situation and just not, I was finding myself not wanting to go on Facebook because there was so much negativity on it. And I just, if I can be somewhere where there's no negativity and there's as much positivity as possible, that's where I want to be. I don't want to be surrounded by anything negative. I don't want to see people arguing, posts about depression. I don't want to see any of that stuff. I know that life in general is already hard as it is. To want to go on a site or something like that where you want to escape from all that's going on around the world, and you still see it when you open the app. So I decided to close my personal and open up one with all crafty goodies, since every time I look at craft stuff, it just makes me happy and cheery and giddy and want to dig through my crafty stuff and create beautiful projects. So with that being said, I am going to link down below my new Facebook, and I'm hoping that you guys go on over and check it out and like my page. You can request me to be a friend, and of course I'll accept it. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I now have another social media that's associated with Crafting with Liller, and I would love you guys to join me over there as well. So on with the Happy Mail. This is some Happy Mail that my friend Veronica sent me. This is I'm looking for a word and I can't, it's V-Day mail, but what is it when, oh my god, you guys, don't you hate it when you just lose your train of thought? Like belated, that's what I'm looking for. What's wrong with me? Belated Valentine's Day. I made her a banner for V-Day and she made me one back. And look, you guys, I'm going to try to open it up to show you guys each individual page so that you guys can see how cute this banner is. So this is her first page. Isn't that cute? Well, not page, envelope. And then there's this one. I love how she decorated it. Isn't this cute? And there's this one. Oh, the clip broke to that one. It's okay. And then there's this one. And this one. And then this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to open them. I'm going to start off from here. And I'm going to start putting the clips on that side. So in this one, she sent me some tags. Oh, these are cute. I don't have anything like this. Can you guys see? Let me bring the focus up. She gave me some cute little heart tags. These are adorable. I love the colors. And you can alter them and decorate them. So I got a bunch of tags in the first envelope. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to put my stuff on the side here. And then the next envelope. And I did look through this, you guys. I'm just sharing it with you. How cute are these? Aren't they so pretty? I love them. I love the colors. So ready for spring. Aren't they cute? Okay, we're going to close this. And if I sound low in energy, you guys, I think I'm getting sick. I think I'm getting sick. It's been a hard week. So if I don't sound as cheerful, it's not that I'm not excited. I'm just feeling a little under the weather. Oh, look, you guys. These beautiful heart doilies, which you guys know, I love me some doilies. I love these. These can be used, you guys, all year long. You don't have to only use them for Valentine's Day. I use doilies all year long, no matter the shape. I love these little puffy hearts. Oh yeah, she like hooked me up with so many stickers. How cute are these? Aren't they cute, you guys? Look at that. Little cupcakes with eyelashes. I love these. I have this bin right here next to my desk with a bunch of V-Day stickers. That's where these are going. Then we have this one. And in here, oh yeah, you guys, this is really cool. She gave me some Miss Sparkle & Co. heart die cut shapes, and they're glitter. These are so cool. I've never seen these. Do you guys see these? And you got like small, medium, and then like the really big ones. And then it's like layers, like you could pop them out. Isn't that cool? I love these. I can't wait to play with these. And then we have this big one right here. And in here, she gave me some gems. Some cute little red gems, which are always handy. I love gems. These make any project stand out. And then in this one is just my card. So that's for me. But yeah, you guys, that's the little banner that my friend Veronica sent me. I love it so much. Thank you so much, girl. If you're watching, I loved it. You did a great job. Thank you so much for all my goodies. And yeah, you guys, I think I'm gonna save the box for another video. I was gonna put it in this one, but this video is already at 7 minutes, so I'm just gonna end it here and I'll film a video for my Easter package from Stephanie. Okay, so you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you enjoyed what you watched. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified whenever I upload another video. And please go check out my Facebook. I would love it if you guys join me over there. And have a great day. Bye, guys.